Here's how to check if your phone supports Wi-Fi 6E or not. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone. Afterwards, go to the Wi-Fi connection options and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi connection that you currently have. Afterwards, click on the I information option and go ahead and scroll down if you see there the Wi-Fi 6E option. Now, if you can see the Wi-Fi 6E option, that means that your phone does not support a Wi-Fi 6E. You could go ahead and check it under the IPv4 address or the address under the Wi-Fi information that you need. Afterwards, on the other hand, on the
HZIXG.
Android,
That
you
means
can go
that
ahead
your
and click on
Wi-Fi
the
is a
Wi-Fi options
5G
that you're currently connected
HZ.
with and
And
scan the
that is
QR
how to
code
know
under the
or to
Wi-Fi.
check if
If
your
you scan the
Wi-Fi is
QR code, you will be able to see there all the
GHZ or
information on your
5G
router or on
HZ
your phone,
on
and that
Android
is how you see
device.
if it is actually supporting a Wi-Fi
HZIXG.
6E
That means that your
connect.
Wi-Fi is a